All right, well, we're back with a Fox weather alert. Severe winter weather threatening the country right now as more than 60 million people across 27 states face threats of heavy snow, ice, and dangerously cold temperatures.
At least 3 states have already declared a state of emergency. One of those states is Missouri, and that's where Fox weather correspondent Mike Seidel joins us from now. Good morning, Mike.
Hey, good morning, and we're just getting into the thick of it here. Snow and blowing snow. We've got blizzard warnings for much of the state of Kansas, all the way into Missouri, including Kansas City, where the Chiefs finally got out of town yesterday. They were on the runway for 4 hours because of ice. It was a skating rink, but they're safely in Denver playing the Broncos later on today. Back here, we're going to have upwards of a foot of snow here northwest of St. Louis. In St. Louis right now, it's snowing, looking for 5 to 9 inches there. The other impact is at the airports. Kansas City, forget about it. 75% of departures and arrivals at KCI have been canceled, and about 50% of flights in and out of St. Louis have also been canceled. This is going to last into Monday morning, and south of here, it's the ice storm warnings. Cape Girardeau getting ice. Power outages starting to show up, about 6,000 so far, but they'll add up. Ice from parts of Missouri into southern Illinois and parts of western Kentucky, and this is all headed east, guys. D.C., Baltimore under winter storm warnings all the way to Philadelphia. This is going to make a mess of the Monday morning commute and likely extend the vacation for millions of kids who have been out for Christmas. Will likely not go back to school tomorrow, maybe not even Tuesday. But this is a big storm, likely to be the biggest in St. Louis in about 3 years. And the other story is the cold coming in behind it. The snow and ice is going nowhere. Temperatures the next several mornings, getting into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday out here will be in the single numbers, and highs may not get above freezing until next weekend. So the chill is heading east. For those of you in New York City, a little bit of snow, but most of the significant snowfall will stay south of the city on this particular storm.
Well, thank you, Mike. My kids are in New Jersey, and they were bummed that they weren't going to get the day off. But these are freezing, dangerous temperatures. I know, right? Thanks for giving us that report. Fantastic. Thank you, Mike.
You're welcome.
Back with a Fox weather alert and a mega winter storm dumping snow over the U.S. Nearly 60 million people across 27 states affected. They're facing threats of heavy snow and ice and, of course, those freezing cold temperatures, which can be very dangerous unto themselves. The winter storm causing headaches and delays along highways and airports. More than 1,000 U.S. flights already delayed. More than 700 have been canceled. Mike Seidel joins us now from Bowling Green, Missouri, with the latest out there. Mike, good morning.
Good morning, Guy. And most of those flights canceled are at 2 airports, KCI and Kansas City. About 70% of departures are off the board today. And in St. Louis at Lambert Field, they've canceled just under 50% of all departures so far and expect those numbers to go up. Here, northwest of St. Louis, it's snow and blowing snow in Bowling Green. We're expecting up to a foot of snow here. We've got the blizzard warnings for Kansas City because they could get 3 hours of heavy snow and wind gust of 35 miles an hour. And it's cold. Temperatures high teens, low 20s, so it's a very powdery snow. It will blow and drift around even once the snowfall ends late tonight and early Monday morning. But I want to show you the breadth and the width of this storm. Look at the snowfall forecast from Kansas all the way to the Jersey Shore. Now, if you're in D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia, your snow, sleet, maybe a little freezing rain, the southern regions will come in late tonight through Monday. So if you're flying in and out of Reagan, BWI, or Dulles, or Philadelphia International tomorrow, you may want to try to move that flight, as long as you're not trying to fly out of KC or St. Louis to those areas, because it's going to be a debacle tomorrow in those areas, not only at the airports, but on the roadways. Back here, we've got ice to the south. There's ice storm warnings parts of Missouri, southern Illinois, Carbondale, that area, Cape Girardeau, Missouri, over towards Bowling Green, Kentucky. We could get a ½ an inch of ice, plus the wind. That means power outages. So far, not too bad unless you've lost power because it's so cold. The power outages combined in Kansas and Missouri so far, about 14,000. Those numbers will go up. So a heck of a storm, and the big change with this one coming in behind it, cold air, the coldest of the season. So whatever falls in these areas is going to stick around for a while. Because in many areas, like here, temperatures aren't expected to get above freezing for the next week to 10 days, which brings to mind the schools. And I think many kids, all the way from KC to Baltimore and DC and Philly, will have another day of Christmas vacation, holiday vacation, or maybe 2 days or maybe 3 days. But certainly tomorrow and Tuesday look very iffy for schools in the Mid-Atlantic. Guy,
Mike
Rachel,
Seidel.
Charlie, back to you.
Thank you,
in
Mike.
New York.
Thanks, Mike.
You're making me cold
Sure.
just looking at you.
Yeah, this is why she has a space heater at all times. And she may be still cold, but the rest of us are
I wish I could give
cooking.
it to Mike. Look at
Thank
him.
you.
He's shivering over there.
Snow day's coming, though. He's right.